Scheduling an acid wash for your facility. If your water chemistry has not been maintained, your pool's surface will be stained and discolored. To address this problem, you will need to schedule an acid wash. The draining of your pool as well as the acid washing process costs time and money, but is necessary to restore your pool's surface aesthetically. After the acid wash process is complete, the pool will have to be refilled and chemically balanced. It is imperative that you schedule this service immediately, as there is a lead time for supplies, delivery, and the refilling and balancing of your pool's water. Depending on pool size, the cost for acid washing in most markets can range from $2,500 to $5,500. This service is preventable and should not be a normal function of your spring opening process. Please speak to your account manager or sales manager to prevent this service in the future. Remember, you own it, we manage it.